In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Microsoft Forms, your full guide for 2025. Let's dive right into it by first heading over to forms.office.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account because that's your gateway to accessing all your forms. Once you're logged in, navigate to the form you want to test. This is your space to ensure that everything is functioning as it should before you release it to your audience. Now, once you've opened your form, the next crucial step is to preview it. You'll find the preview button at the top right corner of your screen. This feature allows you to view your form from the perspective of a potential respondent. I recommend you test your form in both desktop and mobile views because both experiences could differ, affecting how your form is perceived and completed. Take this time to examine the formatting, any images or videos, and make sure that the questions appear in the right order. Moving on, it's time to submit a test response. Approach this step as if you were one of your respondents, completing the form from start to finish. If your form includes branching, which is essentially conditional logic that guides the respondent's path based on their answers, be sure to explore different options. This ensures the test of those pathways is thorough. Don't forget to submit the form. This is a vital step to confirm that the responses are being captured correctly. Once you've submitted a test response, head over to the Responses tab. Here, you'll want to verify that your submission has been recorded accurately. This is also a good time to review the data insights through charts and response details. Plus, you can export the data into Excel if you need a more detailed analysis. If things don't quite look right, you might need to revisit your form's questions or the branching logic to smooth things out. Email notifications are another key aspect of form testing. Navigate to Settings and under Notifications ensure that the form owner receives an email for every new response. If applicable, enable the option for respondents to receive a copy of their answers. After setting these up, submit another test response and then check both your inbox and the respondent's inbox to verify that the email notifications are functioning correctly. Finally, it's essential to test the form with different accounts. If the form is restricted to your organization, test it with a work or school account. If it's open to everyone, use a personal account or an incognito browser. This will help confirm that you've set the permissions correctly and that your form is accessible to the intended audience. With these steps, you're well on your way to ensuring your Microsoft form is ready for its debut. Each step of testing is designed to catch potential issues and improve the experience for your respondents. Good luck with your forms, and I hope this guide has been helpful.